Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very easy and a unique stitch for blankets and for bags and for any of your projects. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we're going to yarn over, come here in this stitch, make double crochet, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Then I'm going to come in the next one way, next one, yarn over, and in our last one. Pull through. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Then you're going to chain 2 from there, then you're going to come right inside here and from the back, so there, then right from the back to pull through, then I'm going to go again right there, pull through from the center, there, insert the back and pull through, yeah, pull through, Mhm. To chain two again. So when we turn around our work, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Then going to yarn over again, insert our hook there from the back. So chain two again, yarn over. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. We have a base of double crochet here, and then we continued. So we had second part, and then we got this braid style over here. Then going to continue again, yarn over, pull through, And see how it looks going to look like. You can see double crochet, then we have got this with here forming as a braid, then we have got double crochet, it's going to form by itself. So let me make one more, yarn over, insert a hook in the back, sorry, insert a hook from the back, insert a hook from the back, insert a hook from the back, so as you can see we made chain of 15 over here, then we made double crochet, then when we came on the other side we had gone in between this stitch, we had yarn over, and we went inside this space here and this space here, and we brought through a yarn, then we made a double crochet. So as we came to the end we had these lines here, then we went the same row, same sequence, same crochet, and you can see we have one and our second line over here, and we have our double crochet. So as we make the double crochets and stitch from in between, we'll get this form of braids. So that's why I said it's a unique stitch, and you can make this for your blankets, your bags, or any crochet projects. So as you can see, this is same as this one. This one I made a smaller one to show you. So see you next time in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.